Now what is acceleration? Acceleration, what is acceleration and what is acceleration due to gravity? We all know acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square. I told you very simple manner so you remember for the long time. What is acceleration? Acceleration means the body can be speeded up. The distance covered by the body per second increases. The distance covered by the body per second increases. Suppose the body has the acceleration 5 meter per second square, 5 meter per second square. Then see, in first second the body covers the distance 5 meter, in next second the body covers the distance double 10 meter, and in next second the body covers the distance 15 meter. That is, after each second the distance covered increases by 5 meter. In first second the distance is 5 meter, in next second the distance is 10 meter, and in third second the distance is 15 meter. So after each second the distance covered goes by increases of 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, so that the velocity also increases. So acceleration is the body will be speeded up. The velocity of the body goes on increases after each second. The distance covered by the body get double, triple, fourth in this manner. Simply similarly occur for the g 9.8 meter per second square. When the body acceleration 9.8 meter second square, the distance goes increases by 9.8. In next second double of 9.8. In third second triple of 9.8. In this way the body distance covered goes and increases. The body is accelerated downward. The body is accelerated in the downward position. Simply yes. Share this thought so the maximum students can know this simply. This is a acceleration. Thanks. Share.